clearance. This is a setting that seldom changes, the reason being it is locked in place through a clamp with a screw right onto the shuttle body. The way we check it is to, again, have the needle in the reverse of what it should be with the scarf to the outside. We hand wheel the machine over until the point of the needle and the point of the hook are lined up with each other. And at this point, the needle should just graze the hook. In other words, it shouldn't really move the hook. If it does, it's too close. What I'm going to do is take it out of adjustment and show you how it's brought into adjustment. You loosen the clamp with an Allen wrench, which makes the shuttle free to turn in this direction and also in this direction. So what we want to do is to bring the needle up so it's just touching, bring the hook up till it's just touching the needle. As an example of having this too close, when it comes down, the hook is pushed out of place. The best place to see it is on the back section. It's pushed out of the track that it rides in, like so. So what you can do is run the needle up until that just moves. Run the hook up until it just moves by touching the needle. Bring it back down just a fraction of an inch and tighten it down. If you partially tighten it down, the next step is to make sure that the needle, when this brace cover is in place, is passing through this opening in the race cover spring, just like so. The back edge of the spring opening should line up with the back edge of the notch in the race cover, so that when you put this on and run the needle down, it will be in the center of the notch at this point, just as it shows in figure 4 in the instruction manual. So what I've done is tighten this partially on the clamp, which held it and kept it from changing the distance between the hook and the needle, and then rotated it. But you need to check again if it's too close. If the hook is touching the needle, you might have to loosen it again and slide it back down just a little, being careful not to turn it. Get it to the proper height so that they're just